Before we announce our winners, I would like to add a special thank you to a very special guest here today. A round of applause for Councilwoman Elaine Holmes of Indio. Ms. Holmes, thank you so much for coming today.
It's my pleasure. You guys were so awesome. You were fantastic. And I really want to tell you how brave you were, how well you all spoke, how you stood up straight. I'm a small business owner too, and I love every single one of those businesses in my downtown. You guys were truly awesome. You presented well. You looked at the audience. You're very, very brave. You're very wonderful. And I want to thank you and thank you, Blair, as well for the tremendous effort that you put into this. I think you guys did a fantastic job, and I think you need to give yourself
Now, before we announce our fourth, third, second, and first place winners, I would like to give a special thanks and personal message to my students. Before I began an internship here, I wasn't sure if I wanted to teach elementary school. I honestly thought that was not something I would be ready for, but growing up with you guys and teaching you everything, I cannot tell you how immensely proud of you, immensely proud I am of all of you. Thank you so much for being a teacher for this short time. And I just want to say a special thank you for everything you taught me as well. Thank you. If you are one of the winners, please come forward when I announce your name. In fourth place, congratulations to Julian Gonzalez. Right here, thank you so much. Our third place goes to Clara Carson. Our second place goes to Monica Piñero. Now, what we all been waiting for. I would like to give a big round of applause to our first place winner, Patience Butler. Why don't you hold that trophy high above for everyone to see? A round of applause, please.